Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful find for this holiday season. The National Tree Company pre-lit artificial slim Christmas tree. This beautiful tree stands at an impressive 6 feet tall, and with its slim profile, it's the perfect addition for anyone with limited space. Get ready to transform your home into a winter wonderland with this exquisite pre-lit tree, which is sure to impress your family and friends. Let's explore what makes this Christmas tree so special. The National Tree Company has designed this tree to closely mimic the natural beauty of a North Valley spruce. With hundreds of individually crafted branch tips, the tree presents a lifelike appearance that adds charm and warmth to any room. This tree features a full-bodied design with a base diameter of 29 inches, allowing you to showcase your favorite ornaments and decorations. And the best part? It comes pre-lit with 400 white lights that remain lit even if a bulb goes out. No more worrying about tangled lights or burned-out bulbs. This tree is ready to shine right out of the box. Assembly is a breeze with this model. It includes pre-attached, hinged branches that drop down easily, allowing for quick setup. You can have your tree ready in just 45 to 60 minutes, simply by shaping the branches and pulling apart the tips to create a fuller look. After the holiday season, the tree folds back in for convenient storage, making it a hassle-free option year after year. Constructed with high-quality materials, this tree is designed to last. It features hypoallergenic, fire-resistant needles, ensuring that your holiday decor is safe for your home. Plus, it includes a sturdy metal stand that provides stability, giving you peace of mind during the festivities. At Product Critique, we believe that creating special holiday memories shouldn't be complicated. With the National Tree Company's pre-lit artificial slim Christmas tree, you can focus on what truly matters, spending time with loved ones and enjoying the magic of the season. Its lifelike design and warm lights create a cozy ambiance, making your home feel festive and inviting. So, if you're searching for the perfect Christmas tree that combines beauty, convenience, and safety, look no further than the National Tree Company pre-lit artificial slim Christmas tree. We highly recommend this stunning tree as it beautifully captures the spirit of the holidays while accommodating the needs of modern living. Thank you for joining us today at Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and holiday tips. Happy decorating, and may your season be filled with joy and cheer.